Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by the brand called APEMAN. And if you guys remember, I actually reviewed a dash cam from this brand before. This time it is a GoPro-like device that has 4K video quality and 16 megapixel image quality. So for the 4K option, it only supports up to 4K if you guys have the right SD card. If you guys don't have the right SD card, they won't support up to that. So if you guys have like a fake one or a bad one or something that you buy that's really cheap, most likely it will support up to 720p or 1080p instead of 4K. So first thing first, let's actually open up and show us what comes at the package first. So when we open the product itself, you guys can see first thing you guys get inside is the actual product itself. They provide you a user guide and manual on how to set up the product and how to use it, and all the different functionalities is on here. So if you guys can see right here, here's a little GoPro that is by APEMAN. When you take it out, this is what it looks like. If you can see, I want to show you guys what comes out the little package right here first, because this is all the accessories that they provide, and it's actually pretty amazing what they provide you in here. So let's open up and show you guys first. And once you guys open up, you guys can see there's a lot of accessories in here. So right here, you guys can see, first thing I see already is a little battery. So this one, you guys actually need to put it into the GoPro itself in order to use it, otherwise it won't work. And then when you guys put this battery in, you guys actually need to plug in the cable to charge it. And then in terms of the battery, they provide you two of them. So you guys can have an extra one just in case if anything goes wrong, or you guys if you lose one or some things are wrong with the other one, you guys have an extra one just in case. And then next thing you guys kind of get is a little remote. So you guys want to do like a wireless picture or something, you guys can do that option. And obviously for the accessory, they can provide you a lot of different mounts. So you can mount it for like on your helmet, you guys want to mount it on like a little strap, whatever the case may be, they provide you all the different accessories with different mounts. So you can see here's another mount right here. Here's another little mount. This one I believe is a little clip. Yeah, so you guys can clip it on somewhere if you guys want to. So basically, if you guys don't get the point already, there's a lot of mounts that comes inside the package. Basically the same as like the older GoPros that I've tested in the past, that comes with a lot of different accessories. So that's basically all the accessories that come inside the package. Now let me show you guys the actual product itself. So basically how you guys open this product is by holding the top part like this to loosen it up. Take that part out like that. You guys can open up the case by using a nail like that slowly, and you guys can open up like that, and then the GoPro comes out like that. So the overall case itself is actually pretty waterproof, but I'll do a waterproof test in a second to show you guys whether or not the case itself is actually waterproof or not. But let's take a look at the product itself first. So you can see on the product right here, they have the little logo APEMAN right here, power switch to turn off and on the product. They have 4K logo right there, the wide angle lens right here. Top part, OK button to select stuff when you guys are actually on the screen or not. If you guys look on this side, there's two up and down buttons right here. There's a little volume control right here, so you guys can actually listen to the audio when you guys are using it. So if you guys look right here, there's 3 different plugs or 3 different options on here. So there's one plug here, there's the micro USB plug right here, and then here's a SD card right here to plug it in to record stuff for your SD card whatnot. They don't provide you the SD card, so you guys would need to get your own. And then if you guys look in the bottom right here, there's a slot right here where you can actually open up to put in your battery. So I already did that, so let me show you guys how to do it. So just open up like this. Just take out like that, and then you guys can put in the battery. And what's really cool about the battery is that they have this little strap right here, so it's easy for you guys to remove the actual battery itself right here, as you can see. So to pull out the strap like that, and it comes out the battery just like that. So really easy to use, and they thought about every single step to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So let me show you guys how to turn it on. Just all you have to do is press this button right here, hold it for like 2 to 5 seconds, and it just turns on like that, if you guys can see. So the quality of this actually GoPro is pretty awesome, really easy to use, but I'll show you guys more of that in the test. So let's just go do the waterproof test and also do the test of the product to charge it, and also how well it works with the quality and whatnot. So let's go do that first and come back and talk about the product after. So here we have the little GoPro here. We're gonna test out to see whether or not it's actually waterproof or not. So I'm just gonna click on the recording option and then dump into the water real quick. Fully submerge the product. Let's turn on some more water. So we can show you guys whether or not it's actually waterproof or not. Alright, so the product is fully submerged, as you can see, it's fully waterproof, and the actual product is still recording, so that's pretty awesome. Alright, so here we have the product all set up. So all you have to do is put the battery in the bottom that comes inside the package, and once you guys put that part in, you guys can put in the SD card as well. And all you have to do is press the button in the front, which is right here, to turn on and off the product. So we just have to hold it for roughly around like 2 to 5 seconds. Alright, so you can see that it turns on. and right now it's having a card error because my card is having some issue. So basically what I want to do right now is to go to settings. So now we are on the settings page. Let's see if we can edit and reformat the actual SD card itself. So format right there, click OK. It'll say yes or no, we'll click yes. Let it format the actual SD card. Alright, so it's done formatting. We just go back to the main screen now and try to see when it actually works or not. But before I do that, I want to show you guys how to actually change the setting on here for the resolution, for the video, and everything else. So all you have to do is click the down button one time, and it goes to the video resolution. Click OK. And here is an adjust which one you guys want to use. So there's 720, there's 1080p, there's 2.7K, there's 4K. So it depends on what kind of SD card you guys are using. So the better SD cards can support up to 4K, like right here. If you guys are using one that is not as good or doesn't support 4K, then it won't allow you to do any higher than 1080p. So if you guys can see on the image itself, it's actually super high quality. So I'm mostly gonna go do a test to show you guys how good the quality is in 4K and then 1080p, so you guys can see kind of like a comparison. And then if you guys want to take pictures on here, all you have to do is kind of click the mode button in the front right here, and it'll change it to the settings. So right now it's at video recording. Now it's at the picture options. So you guys can also control like what kind of megapixel you guys are using for the camera itself. The one that it comes with automatically is a 16 megapixel wide, and then the next one is like a continuation picture. So you guys want to take multiple pictures, you guys can as well. So that's basically everything that's on this product. You guys want to make sure you guys charge the product because it has the battery built in. So just plug it into a portable charger or any cable that supports these two options right here, which is a micro USB option, and then you guys are all set.
So basically this is what the quality is kind of like. You guys can hear the audio and everything. This is using the 4K option.
So here is the test for the GoPro comparing to the other camera.
This is basically what the 1080p quality looks like. Pretty good so far.
So here is the 1080p quality. Alright, so basically this is what the app looks like for the APEMAN GoPro itself. You can see you can add up to 3 different cameras on here. This is the one that we have right here. But let's turn on the action camera itself first and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so basically this is what it looks like, you can see. So as you can see right here, there's a lot of different options on here. So there's an option right here that shows you guys the battery level. There's exiting to go back to the main menu. And then right here is option to change the quality of the video. On the bottom you can see the record button. And right here is the album option. So if you guys click this button right here, you guys can go to all your images, like your videos and photos. And right here is where you actually click to change it from either video to picture or picture to video. But let's go to album really quick and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the album looks like, you can see. So you can view videos and photos on here. And then when you guys click the little X mark on top, you just go back to the front page right here. And that's basically everything that's on the product. So really easy to use, really simple to set up, and everything about it is really nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a test of the product of both the waterproof actual product itself and the app itself, you guys can see everything is really easy to use, really easy to set up. So basically now that we did the unboxing and testing of our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, it costs $50. So that's basically like a fraction of the price that you'll pay for GoPro itself. And the quality is just as good as the regular GoPro if you guys see in the video. But as a first-hand perspective of using this product, I would have to say that it's actually really worth it if you guys want one and need one. Especially for someone who goes like swimming or snowboarding, or if you guys are riding a motorcycle or something. Definitely really awesome to have one of these. Like, it's so small and compact, really portable, really easy to use and everything. You guys can just sync everything onto the product, use the Wi-Fi, transfer it over the app, and then just send it onto your computer. Or if you guys want to, just take the SD card itself and put it manually onto your computer. So you guys have different options on here, which is pretty awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you just want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that'll be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have